Hi YouTube, this is Christian Brindle, Medicare health plan expert and specialist located just outside of Salt Lake City, Utah. Today I wanted to talk with you about Plan N, the Medicare supplement known as Plan N or Medigap if you prefer that term. What it's about, what it does, why it's become so popular the last couple of years, and everything that you need to know. So basically, let's start off with what a Medicare supplement is. So basically, Medicare is provided from the government. They provide you with Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B coverages. And you typically get a Medicare card that looks something like this. Now, Medicare Part A will cover the hospitalization portion of things, meaning the hospital room, the bed, the walls, the ceiling when you go into the hospital. Part B will cover the doctors in the hospital, the equipment, the anesthesiologist, etc., etc. And Part B will also cover outpatient things, like doctor's appointments, surgeries, and things like that. Now, Medicare A and B typically do not pay 100% of these charges. Typically, they'll come with deductibles, co-pays, and a lot of times, for most cases, after those co-pays and deductibles are met, you typically have a 20% co-insurance. So typically, for most things, Medicare will pay 80% and they'll leave 20% behind. So the way that a Medicare supplement works is it's going to come in and it's going to pay the 20% that Medicare did not pick up. Now, different types of Medicare supplements are going to cover different amounts of that 20% and different amounts of what Medicare leaves behind. And this is what the Plan N looks like. So the Plan N basically comes with 4 potential things that you'll have to pay for. There is something that's known as a Medicare Part B deductible. That Medicare Part B deductible can change from year to year, but the Medicare Part B deductible is $198 one time per year, and it can be triggered for hospital stays, doctor's appointments, durable medical equipment, blood work, a myriad of different potential things, but it's an annual deductible, so it's a one-time-a-year charge. Now, Medicare Supplement Plan N also comes with 2 copays. They have an up to $20 doctor copay every time you see a doctor. It could be less depending on the type of doctor. They also have a $50 emergency room copay. So every time you go to the emergency room, it's $50. Medicare Supplement Plan N also does not cover something by the name, basically that's referred to as excess charges. Basically, that's if the doctor would like to add anything additional on top of it. It's very, very scarce, very, very rare. I personally don't recall ever seeing a doctor do it in my career, and in some states it's actually illegal to actually have them do this. So depending on where you live, it might be more of an issue than others. But the main 3 things, in my opinion, that you need to be concerned about with a Medicare Supplement Plan N is the deductible, the Medicare Part B deductible, the $198 one time a year, the up to $20 doctor copay, and then the $50 emergency room copay. Medicare Supplement Plan N is very similar to a Plan G or something like that, but my thinking is with a Plan N is the positives are going to be this. Typically, you're going to have lower rate increases with a Plan N because it does not participate in a program known as guaranteed issue. Basically, what guaranteed issue means is if someone's canceled on something like a retirement plan, or maybe they have a Medicare Advantage plan, or whatever the case might be, and they're canceled on something, they're able to get a Medicare supplement that participates in the guaranteed issue program with no health questions and no underwriting. Plan N does not follow this regulation. Typically with Plan N, the only time that you can get it without health questions and underwriting is when you first get on to Medicare. So because of that, more people that are coming on are going through health questions and underwriting, so there's more of a healthier chain of people year in and year out, which this typically means that the rate increases will stay a little bit lower than maybe a Plan G, not by a whole lot, but maybe by a Plan G, or certainly a Plan F or some other popular plans. The negatives in terms of a Plan N is there's more to pay, point blank. If you have some health problems or if you have some reoccurring issues that require you to see doctors on a regular basis, like there's plenty of clients of mine that see, 3 to 6 doctors a month, depending on the situation. And those $20 doctor copays each time can very much add up and basically end up having you pay more than you're even saving in premium than you would with a Plan G. So there's definitely some positives and negatives in terms of the Plan N. Now, this is what the benefits look like right here on the screen. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video breaking down the Medicare supplement known as Plan N. And if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please do us a favor. Help us reach more people just like you who need to hear our message. Drop a like on the video. comment on what you'd like to see on future videos, and subscribe for future Medicare-based content. Also, we are licensed in 10 states to work with you. If you'd like a Plan N through our organization, we would love to talk with you. There's no charge for our services, and we work with a myriad of different insurance companies, so we can help find a good fit for you that offers a Plan N if you'd like to pick one up. Those states can be found down in the description of this video, but real quickly, they're going to be Utah, Idaho, Colorado, Oregon, Washington, California, Texas, South Carolina, Virginia, and Florida. Our office number can be found down in the description. We hope to hear from you very, very soon. Have a great day.